This is the video to show you how to sample for nutrients at the Rosette. So we work with vinyl gloves, and we also need a Swinex with 25mm GFFs and a syringe. Identify all the tubes with the station number, the bottle number from which the water is coming from, the depth that it corresponds to, and you can also work the leg number if you plan on freezing and not analyzing the samples right away. So the first thing we're going to do is to open the bottle. So there's the white knob at the top of the bottle. We need to unscrew that so air can get in the bottle. Now we're going to rinse the syringe. To do that, we're going to sip in some few milliliters of the water inside the syringe, pull on the plunger completely, shake it, and then discard the water. We'll do that 3 times. So we pull on the plunger, get some water in, shake, discard the water by pushing on the plunger. Now we're going to open the spigot completely, the spigot from the Rosette completely, and then fill up the syringe completely. We're going to take our Swinex and connect it to the syringe. Now we're going to use that water that is going to go through the Swinex to rinse our sampling tube. Put maybe 5 milliliter inside the tube. Put the cap back on without screwing it on tightly, because we want some water to get in the threads of the caps. And we're going to rinse the tube like that 3 times, and we're going to fill it to 15 milliliter if we plan to run the analysis on the ship, or 14 milliliter if we plan on freezing the samples. That gives a bit of a headroom for the ice to expand inside the tube without breaking the tube. After that, we're going to go to the next bottle that we need to sample on and repeat the same rinsing steps that I've showed you in this video. In the case of the ammonium samples, you're going to go through the same process, but you're gonna have to have a look at your syringe markings, like the graduations, to be sure that you collect the right volume of seawater for the incubation. In the case of the TD700, we require a volume of 5 milliliter for each tube that you collect. So have a look at the syringe and make sure that you fill it up with 5 milliliter.